In this video, we will analyze the Moon 861 amplifier. We will explore its features, evaluate listening tests, identify its direct competitors, determine its target audience, and examine the best preamplification systems for optimal results. We'll also discuss which speakers it should be paired with. If you're an audio enthusiast or simply looking to improve your system, this video is made especially for you. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and helps us immensely to keep creating valuable content for you. We greatly appreciate your support. The Moon 861 is a power amplifier that reflects SimAudio's expertise and commitment to precision audio engineering. Designed to meet the demands of the most discerning audiophiles, this amplifier combines technological innovation with robust construction and a sleek design. The Moon 861 offers a power output of 300 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 600 watts per channel at 4 ohms in stereo configuration. In bridged mono mode, it reaches 800 watts at 8 ohms. Its input sensitivity is 1.4 V, with an impedance of 47 kΩ and a gain of 31 dB. The frequency response spans from 2 Hz to 100 kHz, plus 0 dB to minus 3 dB, with crosstalk at minus 119 dB and a signal-to-noise ratio of 119 dB. It has a total harmonic distortion of just 0.002% at 1 watt and 0.001% at 300 watts, with an intermodulation distortion of 0.002%. With a damping factor of 900, it ensures complete control over speakers. The power consumption of the Moon 861 varies depending on its mode of operation. In idle, it consumes 85 watts, in maximum power standby mode, 75 watts, and in low power standby mode, only 1.25 watts. Its dimensions are 18.9 inches wide, 8.3 inches high, and 24 inches deep, with a weight of 128 pounds. In terms of design and construction, the Moon 861 features a dual mono architecture with no global feedback, ensuring optimal channel separation and precise sound reproduction. It incorporates the innovative MDCA, Moon Distortion Cancelling Amplifier, circuit, which reduces distortion to nearly imperceptible levels, preserving the purity of the signal. Its robust power supply includes two 1500 VA transformers and a total capacitance of 228,000 F, ensuring stable and dynamic power delivery. The amplifier's chassis is designed to minimize vibrations and resonances, using high-quality materials and advanced construction techniques. The front panel, sleek and functional, includes a multicolor LED indicator that provides information about the device's status. Additionally, specially designed feet with suspension systems absorb internal and external vibrations, ensuring optimal stability. The rear panel of the Moon 861 is equipped with various connections and controls to enhance its versatility. It includes 2 pairs of speaker output terminals and both balanced, XLR, and unbalanced, RCA, input connectors. It also features toggle switches that allow you to choose between balanced and unbalanced operation, as well as AC-DC coupling. An additional switch enables toggling between stereo and bridged mono mode. The rear panel also includes a 12V trigger input and output, network ports for firmware updates, and compatibility with the MON-Link functionality, allowing connection with other compatible devices. It also features a low power consumption switch and a main power switch with a 15A AC input. The brand recommends setting the low power consumption switch to Reg to optimize the amplifier's warm-up time, while the low setting reduces energy consumption when not in use, though it requires a longer warm-up time. In sound tests using high-resolution classical and jazz recordings, the result was simply breathtaking from the very first moment. The bass was solid and precise, while the soundstage was expansive, with a sharp focus. But what stood out the most was the clarity with which each performance conveyed its musical intention, capturing the essence of each piece with exemplary fidelity. Compositions that combined tension, drama, and emotional contrasts were presented with remarkable intensity and depth. The stylistic and linguistic differences between works from different eras were perfectly evident, highlighting the evolution of music over time with impressive clarity. The expressive nuances in vocal performances were especially captivating, giving each phrase a unique emotional weight. The three-dimensional sensation of listening made you feel immersed in the music, transported to different sonic landscapes, and created a deep emotional connection to the work. In jazz recordings with iconic performances, the sound gained a special warmth in the mid-range notes and a solidity in the soundstage that added naturalness and enjoyment to the listening experience. Unlike other high-end amplifiers, the tonal color wasn't overly saturated, but its balance and naturalness offered exceptional sound definition, much more precise and refined. In piano and orchestral pieces, each detail of the solo performance stood out with exquisite sensitivity. The most delicate passages flowed with captivating fragility, while dynamic contrasts were perceived with a depth and emotion that was overwhelming. The amplifier's ability to extract the subtlest nuances allowed you to immerse yourself fully in each performance. For large-scale works with impressive effects, the experience was electrifying and expansive. The Moon 861's ability to generate a sense of depth and spaciousness, even in a two-channel setup, made the listening experience feel three-dimensional. Introspective pieces were perceived with an ethereal beauty, while the more intense sections conveyed an overwhelming power that completely enveloped the listener. We can confidently say that the pair of Moon 861 amplifiers handled every musical challenge with exceptional precision and balance. While some higher-priced amplifiers may offer more saturated tonalities, the combination of power, impact, and transparency of these amplifiers achieves a natural, enveloping sound presentation that's hard to match. Every time the 861s were put to work, they revealed surprising emotional depth and tonal balance. I couldn't find another amplifier in this price range that offered such a neutral and balanced sound, with such precise bass, an immersive soundstage, and such impactful dynamics. It truly has no comparison. The Moon 861 stands in an impressive position, competing with models like the Pass Labs X350.8 and the Macintosh MC462. The Pass Labs X350.8 is known for its warm sound and robust design, offering similar power to the Moon 861, and excelling in its musicality and analytical focus. Meanwhile, the Macintosh MC462 features a classic aesthetic that appeals to audiophiles and is especially effective at handling difficult loads, making it a reliable option for complex speakers. However, the Moon 861 introduces a significant distinction with its MDCA, Moon Distortion Cancelling Amplifier, circuit, which eliminates the need for global feedback. This results in a significant reduction in distortion, preserving the purity of the signal in a way that many believe improves the sound's clarity and transparency. This approach, which avoids traditional feedback, can offer greater fidelity to the original recording and a more precise listening experience. While the Pass Labs has a highly valued approach in creating a musically rich and warm sound, and the Macintosh is ideal for those who need flexibility with demanding speakers, the Moon 861 stands out for its ability to offer a clean, precise sound. Its dual mono design and optimal channel separation contribute to exceptional signal control, making it a relevant option for those prioritizing transparency and sound accuracy. Each of these amplifiers has unique qualities that make them valuable depending on the listener's needs and preferences. If signal purity and transparency are your priorities, the Moon 861 is a top contender. However, the final choice will depend on what you're looking for in terms of sound and performance in your specific system. The Moon 861 is aimed at demanding audiophiles and audio professionals who seek uncompromising, faithful sound reproduction. Its ability to handle high-demand speakers and its robust design make it an ideal option for those seeking excellence in their audio system. Due to its power and speaker handling capabilities, the Moon 861 is suitable for medium to large-sized rooms. Its design allows for detailed and dynamic reproduction even in large spaces, ensuring an immersive listening experience. To make the most of the Moon 861, it's essential to pair it with a preamplifier that preserves signal purity and maintains tonal coherence. Here are some highly recommended options. Moon 891, designed to complement the Moon 861 perfectly, the Moon 891 offers outstanding performance in terms of transparency and fidelity. Audio Research Reference 6SE, this tube preamp provides a warm and detailed sound, offering a three-dimensional sensation to the music. Its ability to handle both balanced and unbalanced signals makes it an excellent choice to maintain tonal coherence and provide natural reproduction. Pass Labs XP22. The XP22 is a Class A preamp that combines musicality and precision, making it ideal for those seeking balanced sound. Its ability to provide exceptional signal control ensures a perfect integration with the Moon 861. Each of these options ensures that the signal remains pure and detailed, optimizing the performance of the Moon 861 and enhancing the overall listening experience. The Moon 861 is ideal for pairing with high-fidelity speakers that demand power, control, and precise reproduction. Here are some options that complement this amplifier perfectly, in no particular order. Wilson Audio Sasha DAW. Known for their incredible precision and dynamics, Wilson audio speakers are an excellent choice for the Moon 861. Their detailed resolution and ability to handle a wide dynamic range allow the 861 to extract the best from each recording, providing a high-level listening experience. Bowers & Wilkins 803D4. Part of the Bowers & Wilkins 800 series, the 803D4 speakers are known for their impeccable clarity and control in the mid and high frequencies. Their integration with the 861 ensures precise bass response without sacrificing transparency or definition across the frequency range. Focal Sopra No. 2. Focal Sopra No. 2 speakers are ideal for those seeking a rich and detailed sound. With deep bass response and precise reproduction of high frequencies, these speakers perfectly complement the power and clarity of the Moon 861. Magico A3. Magico A3 speakers offer excellent frequency response and high-quality construction, allowing the Moon 861 to extract all the musical details. With exceptional control over dynamics and precise sound imaging, they are an outstanding option for those seeking detailed and immersive sound. These speaker options, paired with the Moon 861, provide an impressive sound experience, highlighting power, resolution, and tonal coherence in every listen. In summary, we can say that the Moon 861 is an absolute reference amplifier in its category. From the first moment of listening, it demonstrates a level of refinement, transparency, and control that places it among the best options on the market. Its feedback-free approach, combined with its innovative distortion-canceling system, allows for a sound experience free from artifacts, with exceptional fidelity to the original recording. This amplifier not only has the raw power to drive the most demanding speakers, but it does so with a delicacy and precision that sets it apart from many of its competitors. The sense of depth and spaciousness in the soundstage, combined with its ability to reproduce micro-details and expressive nuances, makes it an ideal choice for audiophiles seeking a fully immersive musical experience. While its price is high and its size may be a challenge in terms of installation, these considerations are overshadowed by its sound performance. For those seeking a definitive amplifier in this price range, the Moon 861 is an investment that offers unparalleled auditory rewards. Highly recommended for discerning audiophiles and reference audio systems. Before we conclude, we always recommend conducting listening tests before making a decision. Remember that sound perception can vary due to many factors. Thank you for being part of our community. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and activate the bell to receive notifications. Your support helps us continue to create quality content. Thanks for being here.